If you are planning to emigrate to Jamaica, you want to know what kind of visa or permits you can apply for to live, work, or study in this beautiful country for an extended period of time. Apply for a work visa to Jamaica. If you want to move to Jamaica for professional reasons, you will need a work permit. The company that hires you should be able to help you prepare your work permit. The prospective employer will need to submit an application to the Ministry of Labour and Social Security and will require some certifications from you, such as a police clearance certificate, photographs, school transcripts, and a non-refundable processing fee. Once approved, and depending on the duration of the work permit, the applicant must pay an additional permit fee. These fees can vary. You can check www.mlss.gov.jm for the latest information in English. Obtaining tourist visas and residence permits for Jamaica. If you plan to come to Jamaica as a traveler and see how things are going, just come as a visitor. With a European passport, you do not need to apply for a tourist visa for a stay of up to 90 days. As an American citizen, you can stay up to 6 months. When the time limit expires, you can apply to the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency, or PICA, for an extension of stay. Commonwealth citizens can stay up to 12 months. Non-Commonwealth citizens can stay up to 6 months. Remember that you cannot legally work with the visitor's permit, so make sure you have enough funds or an alternative source of income, or pension, to survive. Study in Jamaica. Student visa for Jamaica. Are you a student? Foreign nationals enrolled in educational programs and institutions registered with the Jamaican Ministry of Education can obtain a student visa extension. This can grant you a 1-year stay and requires you to present the appropriate proof of enrollment. Jamaican residence permit for family members. If you are married to a Jamaican national, you may apply for a marriage exemption. In this case, you must first contact the Ministry of Labour and Social Security in Kingston with your marriage certificate and request a marriage exemption letter. Once you receive this letter, you will need to visit the PICA offices with your Jamaican spouse and apply for your extension, or better yet, your permanent residency status. This requires a little extra work, including an extensive interview with a PICA official, various paperwork, and a visit to your household to verify your relationship. But in this case, you are off the hook, at least until your marriage is valid. Residence permit independence to emigrate to Jamaica. Last but not least, you can consider the possibility of dependency. If you are not working, but are dependent on a spouse or parent who is either a Jamaican citizen or has a Jamaican work permit, you may be able to obtain an extension of stay based on dependency. These are the most common options for permanent or extended residence in Jamaica. If you would like us to assist you in buying or selling a property, please come to our website, blueHOMES.com.